These Chinese sports were somehow adopted by the Philippines. Shuttlecock kicking, Jianzi. A similar game called Sipa exists in the Philippines, which involves kicking a small object, often a shuttlecock, to keep it off of the ground. It shares similarities with Jianzi.
Lang.